And today, November 1st, 2025, a special day in Puerto Plata, a day that marks history for those who believe, those who invested, and those who dreamed big. Some thought it wouldn't happen, but today it stands tall, bold, elegant, and unmistakable. The Atlantic Luxury Towers, the newest, grandest, most iconic beachfront development in Puerto Plata. Rising from the heart of the Malecón, across from Playa Acapulco, you can see it from anywhere. From the statue of Isabel, from the mountain above, even from the watchful eyes of the city itself. The Atlantic Towers command the skyline, perfectly located, steps from 3 supermarkets surrounded by restaurants, nightlife, and the rhythm of the ocean. Whether you want peace and privacy or the pulse of the Malecón, it's all right here. From vision to reality, from render to landmark, the Atlantic Towers have redefined what luxury means on the North Coast. And tonight, at 6:30, we celebrate the dream that became a destination. Oh, don't worry about parking. The Malecón will be shut down for this event. Yes, it's a big deal. Congratulations to the owners, the visionaries, the believers, the lucky few who made it theirs. Puerto Plata is changing, and tonight, it's shining brighter than ever. Welcome to the Atlantic Luxury Towers.